Hello everyone, welcome to LearnC. Myself Kiranmai and I am pursuing my first BTech in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women's. Guided by Dr. M. Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women's, Bhimavaram. Write a C program to find GCD of most occurring and least occurring elements of given array. What is GCD? The greatest common divisor GCD of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor number that divides them exactly. It is also called the highest common factor HCF. For example, the greatest common factor of 15 and 10 is 5 since both the numbers can be divided by 5. Let us take a sample input. Let the array elements be 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, and the output will be 2. The given array elements are arranged according to the frequency. We have 4 different elements 2, 4, 5, and 6 repeated. We get frequencies. Frequency of 2 is 2, frequency of 4 is 2, frequency of 5 is 2, frequency of 6 is 4. Here the minimum frequency is 2 of elements 2, 4, 5. So 2 will be picked as the least among 2, 4 and 5. The maximum frequency is 4 of element 6. Hence the GCD of 2 and 6 is 2. First, let us discuss about the algorithm of the given problem statement. The main function takes an input n, the number of elements of the array. The elements of the array are taken as input and stored in the array. A frequency array is initialized to store the frequency of each element in the array. Using a for loop, the frequency of each element is calculated and stored in the frequency array. Another for loop is used to find the most occurring and least occurring elements in the array. The GCD function is called with the most occurring and least occurring elements at the input argument, and the result is stored in the variable GCD result. The GCD result is printed as the output. Now it's time to write the code for the given problem statement. The execution of program starts from the main function. Let us declare the variables to access maximum and minimum elements. Let us declare an array to take required input. Let us take a for loop to take input from the keyboard. Let us take another for loop to check frequency of each number in the array. As we discussed before, to find the GCD of given array elements, first we need to find the maximum and minimum elements. To check maximum element and minimum element, we should use for loop and iterate through each element. If the condition frequency A of I is greater than maximum frequency satisfies, the element is stored in maximum element. If the condition frequency A of I is lesser than minimum frequency satisfies, the element is stored in minimum element. Now the GCD function is recursed. If b equal to 0, it should return a value. If the condition is not satisfied, it should return b. Now let us compile the code to check whether we are getting the required output or not. Now we'll give some random array elements. So I am giving 10 array elements. Here is the required output.